What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? This is Ricky from New York. We're doing a video today about removing the malware from your WordPress site. I have Bluehost, and it seems like I went through everywhere to find a malware removal. Everybody wants me to pay monthly, or they want to pay one-time fees, whatever. I removed it line by line. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing right here. You can see. So, right here is sweaterprinting.com. If you go to sweaterprinting.com, it will say it's suspended because my hosting suspended it. Alright, so now my hosting sent me a list. It's going to be in your files here, just to show you guys what it is. It's going to be in your home files. And by the way, to get here, you just got to go to your cPanel and just go to File Manager, and you'll be right here. And just press Home root. So, when you're in your File Manager, you'll go here, and then in the Home directory, they have a malware txt that you see right here. It's a malware txt. So, they send you the list. I copied it to a notepad, and here it is. Boom. So sweater printing, these are each and every single line that has a virus, a malware virus, the backdoor, whatever this is, whatever. So what I do is, see this is the first line, I gotta go line by line, and instead of going line by line though, you wanna go by category. So you see includes right here, all these are includes. And then you have an index, and then you have admin, and then you have content. You gotta remove the line from each one. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it right now. So first we're gonna go to sweater printing because I have multiple domains and they've hacked multiple of my domains. Sweater printing. Right here, sweater printing, right here. Click on it. I'm in it. So first things first, I'm going to do all the WP includes, which is right here. Boom. WP includes. I'm not going to go back and forth because I already remember what to do. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. You got to go into this JS file. And then this one was utilities.js. This you have to remove. So you see the file right here. The first one is WP includes /js/utilities.js right here, which is we have to remove because they said there's a backdoor in it. So we're removing it. Boom. Utilities.js, delete it, done. And then I go back. So now, to go forth, I have text. Then I have the general template I want to take out. I have 2 in Pomo, actually 3. See, this one's MO and SO. And then we have request to take out of includes, and then we have template PHP to take out of includes. So I'm gonna kind of go through this kind of fast. So we're gonna go back forth. So we did the JS. We're doing Pomo folder. Alright, so mo and index, all these gotta go. Boom. Take all those viruses out of your joint. Now go back. Alright, so we did promo, we did JS. We have to do a request. And includes is like the hardest one, honestly. The other two, admin and content, is easy. So, we go in here, we got to remove ipconfig ini. Because in includes, it says ipconfig ini in the request folder. So I'm removing it. Boom. Take it out. Back. That was request text. Text has some more malware in it. Text has a malware in it. Remove TIFF and index. Delete. Go back. Now over here we have general template and another template that has to be moved. That's hiding here. See, look, it says general template right here. This is the real one, and then they entered this fake one right here so they could steal my information and whatever the hell they're doing. So taking that general out, and then template PHP also. So I just hold control and click both and delete both of them. Boom, that's done. Go back. Alright, we done with the includes. So now we're doing content. WP content now. Alright, WP content is right over here. Actually skip admin, but we'll go back to admin. But content's right here. We're gonna remove all this right here. I'm not gonna go back and forth. You see index, you see the themes and stuff. I'm gonna show you how to kind of save your theme also. So let's go back. So these two gotta go. Boom, boom, delete, done. Those always gotta go. Those extra joints gotta go. They're in the folder that my hosting sent me, so I'm erasing it. All right, and here we have one hidden here, index PHP. Go. These are all index PHPs that are in my thing. We have theme. Go to theme. Real quick, I'm gonna show you what's inside the index PHP, just so you know that it's malware. Some index PHPs are not malware, but if you see this, silence is golden, issue request is a bot, assert, strip lashes, request bot. So you see that bot stuff and all that and different domain names, you erase it. So this and all the default themes are gonna get erased. Storefront is my theme, so I'm gonna click in it actually because I don't want to erase it. I want to keep my theme up. So I'm going to storefront, and you're gonna erase the 404 PHP because that's where they hide the back doors and stuff where they could get into your site. So erase that. Get that out of here. Now final is the admin, the one I skipped before. All right, admin. We have main T, whatever it is. Go in main T, get that index.php out. Right here, index.php, get out. Boom. Get up out of here. What else? I had to light it up. Alright. Maintenance. I'm sorry. We got the includes. The includes are two I's, so those go down to I. Images with the S is the fake one. Image is the real one, and then the index PHP is right here. Not this one. We need that import one. Import one off. Oh, there you go. We're running kind of slow, probably because I'm recording. Alright. Wait. Over these. That's the includes, the maintenance, and then you got a menu one, MS menu. Where is it? Right here. This one gotta go. MS menu. Go back to my little pad. So I got the uploads, the index, all the themes. I took that out, and I took that out. All right. So WP admin, maintenance, index, the includes, and the menu. I took that out. And then one more spot. You have, let's say it real fast. You have the admin, the includes, and the content. All three right here. And then check the actual folder of sweater printing, whatever it is. Press it. And right here, there should be one too. Right here, boom. Index PHP. Get rid of it. Don't leave it in there. Boom. Now, once you erase all these, you'll be able to put it back. But make sure that you erase every single one, because if you put it back and someone misses one, they'll crawl back through all your sites and mess it up again. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also hit me up, Digital Market Space, on my Facebook.